one of the experts at EnglishWise. Today we will be touching base on the types of essays and how you will identify what type of essay they are. Okay, so there are a couple of essays which is quite common in your PTE exams. The first type of essay that you might be noticing are called positive and negative essay. The second type of essay is called as problem and solution, and the final type of essay which is quite common in PTE is causes and effects. Now I'm going to give you a list of keywords that will help you identify what kind of essay you will be dealing in your PTE exam. So the first one is positive and negative. If you see the following keywords, then you should be knowing that it is a positive and negative essay. The first type of identification will be, they might ask you to what extent do you agree or disagree with the following statement, or they might just use the words do you agree or disagree with the following statement. So this should be indicating to you that it is a positive and negative essay. Another keyword that they normally tend to use is what is your opinion on the following essay or the following topic. So whenever they do ask you or prompt you with the term opinion, you should be assuming that it is a positive and negative essay. Couple of other keywords are how far do you agree with this statement? Do you think that this is good enough? Such keywords will always tell you that it is a positive and negative essay. When it comes to a problem and solution essay, it is quite evident that it is a problem and solution essay. There are not a lot of keywords that they tend to use. Normally they do use the word what are the current issues meaning the word problem, and they also ask how can you solve them. So they directly tend to ask you the word solve, and they also use the word issues. So that should be indicating that it is a problem and solution essay. And finally, when you come to causes and effects, the word causes means reasons and the word effects means results. So you should be looking at the following keywords. They do ask what are the reasons behind certain things, and what could be the possible implications, or what are the possible consequences, and how do they affect the society. So when you see the word what are the current reasons or what are the reasons, it should be telling you that reasons are causes. And when you see the words implications, consequences, or how does that affect so and so, that should be indicating that it is effects. So you should be writing causes and effects. One more tip here, guys, if you are writing your essay, you can always use a ratio which will be easier for you. If you are doing a positive and negative essay, you can always write 2 positives and 1 negative, or vice versa, 1 positive and 2 negatives. The same thing goes with problems and solutions and causes and effects. It can be 2:1 or 1:2. Now I'm going to give you some examples that will make you understand that what kind of essay we are dealing with. Now, if they do ask you, to what extent do you think that animals should be kept in zoos? Now the topic name over here is animals kept in zoos. And since you saw the word opinion, you should be writing a positive and negative essay. Another type of question, how far do you think children should be saving at a very young age? Do you agree or disagree? And they've asked you the words, how far do you agree? And they also have asked you, do you agree or disagree? So it basically means positive and negative. They've combined both of the keywords that I've mentioned at the beginning of the video. Moving on, some other type of questions are, what are the current issues of polygamy and how can the government help to solve them? So when you hear the word issues, you should be knowing that it is a problem, and how can the government solve them, being a solution type of essay. Another type of question, what are the reasons behind students failing in schools today, and how does that affect the society? So when I say what are the reasons behind, I'm asking you a cause behind students failing in school, and how does that affect the society. So when I use the word affect the society, I'm asking you what are the consequences. So when something is being affected, normally it ends up having consequences, in other words, effects. So I hope the 3 types of essays that I have mentioned in this video comes of use to you. I repeat again, guys, you have positive and negative, problem solution, and causes and effects. Make sure that you actually write down all of the keywords that I've asked you to, so that it helps you to identify the type of essay even better. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.